E-learning work for April 6th through April 10th. So Monday we're going to do, this is what it's going to look like every day of the week. We might not do all subjects, but this is what each slide of our keynote is going to look like for each different day. So you're writing for Monday, April 6th. You're going to get a prompt. Write a journal for what you did over the weekend. Write 6 to 8 complete sentences. Tell me what you did, ate, saw, heard, etc. You can write about anything you did over the weekend. And honestly, since I haven't seen you guys for almost a month, you can write about anything you've done over the last month. So if you didn't do anything special this weekend or you didn't talk to anyone, tell me what you did over spring break. Tell me anything. Reading. So you have a new book this week. It is attached to the Google Classroom that is the e-learning week assignment. And it is about the disappearing honeybees. And there's also a video of me reading that book to you guys because it's not at every single person's reading level. So I made it a little easier. You're going to complete the vocabulary assignment, which is the same type of assignment we've done every single time. You're going to make a keynote, and each word gets its own slide. And on each different slide, you'll put the word, its definition, a picture that you can find from the internet. You can draw a picture. You can find pictures in Keynote. And then I want you to write one complete sentence that uses that specific vocabulary word. A lot of the time you guys forget to put that word in your sentence. Make sure you remember to do that. So math is review. You guys know we have gone through the entire Go Math book. We have done chapter 1 through chapter 16, and we are getting ready to do park practice and then review. So we're just going to jump into review. We reviewed chapter 1 through 3 before break, so we're just going to start on chapter 4. So I attached the pages. So you're going to see slides like this for each day, and what you're going to do is you're going to screenshot this and add it to your own keynote so you can read through it and you can edit it and like draw on it and answer each question. I'm also going to upload some of the videos I already created about this content. It's pretty self-explanatory. It is all review, so I'm going to be shocked if you guys all completely forgot. Read through each little section. That'll definitely help you. But you're going to get 3 to 4 slides of work per day, just so you know, because it is all review. And you don't have to do every single problem on every single page. I want you to pick and choose a couple and show me that you know how to do the work. In science, you're going to read chapter 18, lesson 1, and you're going to do number 1 through 3. I did attach chapter 18 from the science book to our Google Classroom as well, because I know you guys don't have any books at home. Social studies, we are not going to do any social studies on Monday. Tuesday, you're going to write one paragraph, which is 6 to 8 sentences, a 1-paragraph summary for each different section of the Honeybee book. And I think there's like 7 or 8 sections. So that means 7 or 8 paragraphs. Now don't freak out. That's going to be your writing and your reading today. And you're also going to be doing that for tomorrow's writing and reading. So if you could just get a couple done each day, it's all really due by Friday, but this is just to pace you out because you are going to get more reading homework, reading and writing starting on Thursday. So math, again, we're on to 4-2, and you're just going to go through each page, screenshot it, add it to your own keynote, and I'm going to have you turn in one keynote for all of math on Friday. And that way, like I said, you do not need to do every single problem on every single page. You need to just show me you know how to do it. You can do the practice problems. You can do 1 or 2 of the word problems. I just want to see that you're doing math and you understand math. Science, you're going to read chapter 18, lesson 2, and do number 1 through number 3. And social studies is unit 6, lesson 3. You're going to write a 5-sentence response to number 3 at the end of the lesson, just like normal. But I made it easier. It's not 6 to 8 sentences. It's just 5 sentences. And again, you're just going to put that on a keynote. And honestly, if you want to make a keynote for the work for the entire week like we normally do, you may do that and turn it all in on Friday on just one of the things. I will check everything. Do not worry about it. Wednesday. So you're going to continue to write your summaries on Keynote. Remember, it is due Friday. You're going to do that for writing and reading today. Math, again, you're just on to 4-3. You're going to screenshot each different slide, and there are 4 today, and you went through 4.3 and 4.4. And again, let me remind you, do not do every single problem on every single page. That's going to make you go crazy. Just do a couple different problems so I see you know what you're doing. There is no science today, and there is no social studies today. Woohoo! All right, Thursday. So this might look crazy, but don't worry. I attached each worksheet to the different slides, but you are going to be doing the worksheets for the honeybee book. Your paragraph summary should be complete by today, but you don't have to turn them in until Friday. So if you're not done, don't worry about it, but you are getting more assignments. So you got 4 worksheets. So you have this one, this one, this one, and this one. They're all really easy. They have the instructions at the top. Just read the instructions. You guys can definitely do it. And you're going to just reread the honeybee book because you're going to have a test on it on Friday. I think I put this on Wednesdays. So be ready for that. Don't stress out about it. All your reading is to complete all the summaries, which you should have done, and then just reread. So really you can use this time to work on your worksheets. Math, again, we're just working on our ready to go on assessment readiness. So what I really want you guys to do is I want you to do the ready to go on and assessment readiness incomplete. This first slide, I want you to complete it. Then I want you to do are you ready? And I want you to just start looking at 5-1 dividing whole numbers. You guys, this is long division. We have done this so many times. You can do it. I believe in you. Pick a couple problems. And then I want you to start working through 5-1. But I want you to mostly focus on completing those tests for chapter 4. And then 5-1, again, choose 1 or 2 problems from each little section. Don't do every single problem. No science today. You are welcome. Social studies, read Unit 6, Lesson 4, and write a 5-sentence response to number 3 at the end of the lesson. Just like we did, but just the next lesson. Friday. Technically, I think this work is for Good Friday, so this will just carry over to the next Monday because you don't have to do work on Friday. It is a school holiday, but if you are looking for something to do, you can definitely work ahead. You're going to write a response to each discussion card for the honeybee book. You're going to create a keynote to do this. You'll screenshot each different discussion question and type your response. Honestly, you can just screenshot all 6 of them on the same slide and write it. I don't want you guys to do too much editing and that stuff. I want you to just show me you're doing the work. Here are the discussion cards. Then reading is the actual test, and it's going to be over 2 different slides. Just like normal, we have 1 through 8 here, and then we have 9 through 12. And I do want you to do 11 and 12. Math, all you're doing today is you're going back and you're making sure everything is complete. You are turning it in. Do not forget to turn this stuff in, guys. If you forget to turn it in and you did it, I'm going to have to mark you incomplete for a full week. And I don't want to have to do that. I know this e-learning stuff is new to all of us, but you guys are honestly probably one of the more prepared 6th grade classes in the district because we did do so much of this already on our iPads for the whole rest of the year. So remember, turn it in. Science, you're doing Science Chapter 18 review number 1 through 20. That is your last science assignment for the week. That is the last science assignment for Chapter 18. No social studies. So that is the entire week laid out for you. If you have questions, make sure you email me. You guys all got a printout of my email, so do not worry.